Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add a hover text effect on your Wix.com website. So first, you'll need to start from the Wix website editor, such as this one. If you don't know how to go here, you just have to go on the dashboard here and you have to click on this to get to the Wix website editor, which is here. Now to achieve this effect, we're going to use something called a hover box. The way we do this is going on the left-hand side here to add elements, and on app elements, we're going to go to box. And on box, we're going to do container boxes. I'll just do this one to make it simple. Now, this will be the basis of our hover text. This is what will run the engine per se. Now, the first thing we want to do is to add our actual text, which is this one, text, right? I'm going to do this huge title, for example. And this is where we want to change the text. Change it to whatever you want and make sure it says attached to box, right? So if it's in here, it should be attached. Now, here we're just going to keep it as is. We're going to call it huge title. And for the container box, I'm going to change the design here and customize design. I'm going to go to the border and I'm going to turn the opacity way down so there's no box. So it seems like it's only just the text, right? So now we just have to click on this hover interaction. And then click on this get started. Now, once you click on get started, it will open a UI such as this. Now, the effect we want to add is this. On the huge title or on the text you have, just click on it and then you have to click on this choose effect. And on the choose effect, we want it to grow because it's a hover effect, right? There's a lot actually. There's grow, shrink, skew, rotate, or a combo if you want. I'm going to do grow. And I'm going to click on customize. And this, you can make it you can make it grow to extremely big size, or you can make it grow just like a tiny bit, only 101%. I'm going to do 138% so you can see. I'm going to click on back and I'm going to click on the X mark here. If you want to test what the hover effect looks like, click on this, play. Now it looks like that. Now let's test it. I'm going to click on exit hover mode and I'm going to click on preview. Once I click on preview, let's wait for it to load. And once it's loaded, let's try it. There you go. I hover, open the text, and it's giving me a hover, right? Now, let's try a different kind of hover effect. Let's go back to editor. Now let's click on the container box again. I'm going to click on hover interaction added, click on it, and click on edit interaction. Again, click on the text here, and then click on choose effect. Now this time let's make it skew, something like that. Let's see how this effect looks. Skew, nice. Let's make it more prominent. Choose effect, skew, customize, and I'm going to make it skew by a lot. Oh, skew. And then let's make it skew by 36 degrees, something like that, something ridiculous. Let's click on play to see how it looks. There you go. Now let's click on exit hover mode and let's click on preview. Let's see if this skew animation will work. Amazing. There you go. It works.